So here at Newport campus, which is part of the University of South Wales, we have youth and community work. So we work a lot with young people and communities, and our students are on placement and they're required to do 800 hours per year. My name is Lise Jacobson. I'm the course leader for the BA Honours Youth and Community Work here at University of South Wales in Newport. Since 2017, being a youth worker, you have to register with EWC. We want to make sure that we provide our students with the best approach to engage with EWC before they actually graduate. The process for setting up the PLP platform for our students to use from the EWC, where we liaised with EWC, who received a Word file, which was our Word portfolio tasks that students have to do, and they transferred that into the platform. When we first launched it, EWC actually beamed into our class because it was during COVID. It was in September 2020, and one of their staff members joined us online and showed us how to use PLP. So the benefits for our students of using the e-portfolio or the PLP is that students can access it anywhere, anytime. Previously, they would need to bring their computer with them, which had the document on it, and if they forgot the computer, they couldn't access it. Whereas now, they can access it as long as they have a device and the internet. So being able to access their PLP is their professional development, it's their professional learning passport. And what that means is that you can go in and you can add your training that you've been on, you can go in and update your CV. In Newport, we work with lots of different community organisations who support and work with young people. So those who do not want to do social work or teaching, be a youth worker. It's an amazing, fulfilling job. No day is the same. It's fun, it's active, and we build relationships with young people the best way that we know we can to ensure that young people become the best versions of themselves.